The Titans were the guardians of nature, and the great apes became the protectors of humanity.
So if they meet again, who bows to who? Is that it?
I know this for sure. Kong bows to no one.
The last time those two met up was almost the end of Kong.
They don't have to like each other. We just have to work together.
We've discovered a signal. Something is coming. Something even they're afraid of.
It's not just a signal. That's a call for war.
Kong can't stop this on his own.
He won't be alone.